Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe in the gorgeous classic red, black leather pony interior. This does have a 289 under the hood, and it is an automatic. But just an awesome car, your classic Mustang feel. Nice, beautiful leather interior. It's got the pony interior right there. Just an awesome ride. Go ahead and pop open the trunk real quick. If I can get the key. Trunk's in great condition. Hop up into the driver's seat real fast. Show you guys the cluster. Yeah, gorgeous car. All right, we'll go ahead, pop open the hood, check out underneath, and take it for a spin and put it on the hoist. We're gonna pull her out to the street here. Show you guys the radio does work. Got some jams you can play. Okay, let's take her down the road real quick. Oh man, what a great ride. Steering wheel stays nice and straight. Woo. That is nice. Sounds very nice, strong, handles well, shifts very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and swing her around real quick. And then I'll put her on the hoist. You can check out underneath. Gotta get going here. Car's my way. Look at that. Real nice. Alright, got the Mustang up here on the lift. Let's check out underneath. This Mustang is in great condition. Very strong body. Rails are good, floorboards are solid. Swing around for a little bit better lighting. If you're looking for a 65 automatic that cruises, is reliable, this is the one for you. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call, shoot us an email. We would love to hear from you. Show you a FaceTime video live. As always, thanks for stopping by and have a great day.